Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Can we just stop and just look at beautiful? Just look how beautiful this hair is, please. Like, come on. I'm in love with this web pattern, I'm not gonna lie. So, right now I'm just plucking the closure and look how flawless this closure is, guys. This is the best closure I've had so far, I don't care, no one says. So anyways, this closure was so easy to pluck and I just love how natural it was. Oh, I'm just in love with this hair, guys. I'm just so happy reviewing this. So I'm using my mousse at the moment just to flatten the hairline right there. I'm having it as a middle part, and I'm going to go in with plucking it a bit more again just to have like a, you know, a natural looking hairline. And now I'm cutting the lace off, and that's all I did for this middle part right there. So now I'm just going to pin the hair back again, and I'm going to use my got to be glue. Sorry, it's not a glue, guys. Loads of people say, is it a glue? No, guys, it won't rip out your hair. It's a gel. It's just a very strong holding gel. I need to remember to start saying gel, 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 gel. Anyways, I literally just place it there. I place it on my head and then I press it down and then I use my blow dryer to just to hurry up the process of it drying and stuff, because you know I ain't got time to be waiting. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to do sorry excuse for baby hairs. I am so rubbish at doing baby hairs. I just lay a bit down. That's all I did. I just gave up after a while. And then I'm going to define the parting and just blend it all out flawlessly with my powder. You can use any powder as long as it's close to your skin tone. That's perfect. So then now I'm just seeing how the curls look. I just wanted to wet it a bit to see how they'll naturally fall. I wanted them a bit more defined, so I ended up curling them, but this is how the curls look, guys. They are so soft. I'm actually in love with this curl pattern. So it's deep wave, I think it's naturally curly actually. There's loads of naturally curlies I've received and they're all different. It's so weird, but this is by far the best one I've ever received. I'm not gonna lie, I love how fluffy it is, and that's the look I was going for, like a nice fluffy kind of look. I didn't want it kind of like curly. I just wanted like a fluffy look. I don't know. You'll see at the end, you guys, you'll see. I'm rubbish at explaining. So I'm just curling it here with this curling wand, Remington curling wand, and look how flawlessly it curls, guys. Just look how bouncy it is. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love, guys. So I'm just curling it here and stuff. I'm only curling like just a little bit because I have not got time to be curling all 4 bundles of this hair. So yeah. This wig was made for me also by a beautiful girl on Instagram. She has her own hair page, which I'll list down below. I'll list the link and everything, bless her. She made this wig so beautifully. It lays down flat. This hair is very, very soft. It's very true to texture, and it's also very thick. I love it. So right now I'm just literally just finger combing the curls out. I didn't brush it out or anything. I'm just literally just fluffing them out, and this is the kind of fluffy look I was talking about. So not defined kind of thing, but just more fluffy and stuff like that. It's summertime, like come on guys, summer hair. So yeah, this is the hair right here. I'm going to be showing the back soon. Yeah, it's just really nice. It's a very nice curl. This is from Nadula hair company. I'll list all of their hair links down below and everything. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.